안녕하세요. 지리맨 주니아입니다. 게로스 대표님 만나서 반갑습니다. I'm the CEO of Ralph Keros company since 2019. I've created the company in Korea in 2018 after 16 years experience in IT and cybersecurity all over the world. Cybersecurity is a strong topic since many years, since the finance to realize bank transfer or any payment system. When a company has some IT infrastructure, they need to understand the way they are protected and the way they are not protected from different kind of risks. And as all the company have now internet infrastructure based on the cloud, audit is a good way to understand is the infrastructure of the company vulnerable, is the company is able to be protected also from employees attack, like phishing for example, or is there any processes or organization the company can implement to protect itself. So cybersecurity attacks have increased a lot since many years. As you know, it can be from government states, but also small startups are hit by this kind of attacks. So Ralph Keros is providing this audit service, but also training services, for example for the employees or for the IT professionals in the companies that need to reskill or to understand well about what are the new threats, as the threats are evolving a lot. The third kind of services is more about consulting, about the company strategy in terms of cybersecurity. So our objective is to help the CISO, Chief Information Security Officer, to take into account the different strategies that are validated now to protect them against those kind of new threats. In 2020, we have around 600 new companies that are offering their service in Korea related to the finance domain. Those companies must be helped and monitored by the Korean government. And they have created a process, financial test bed, to offer this compliance verification related to the business of the company, but also related to the cybersecurity protection of the company. And this process, called Open Banking License, for the moment is too complex for companies. Among 120 companies every year that are applying to this process, 76% of them they fail. One of the reasons is the maturity in terms of cybersecurity for the company is too low. Ralph Keros is developing a solution that is called NAMISEC, a software as a service whose objective is to help those companies to get a better chance and receive this open banking license, and so they can operate to the domestic market and get access to the data of the customers. Thanks to Ralph Keros, we reduce the amount of time they will spend on this kind of verifications. So the go-to-market for the company is reduced and they can develop their services with a better chance to be accepted by the Korean government. Competitive advantage in our company is regarding to first our global international experience in cybersecurity. My associate created officially the company Ralph in 2015 in South Korea, with 20 years of experience based in Japan as a manager for cybersecurity. The second strength we bring is an event to share the best practices between the CEO and the Chief Information Security Officers, cybersecurity professional in all Asia. This event is called FICA, and we will have our first edition in 2021, and we will bring the best Korean top-notch speakers working from KISA. So during this kind of event, during one day, we want to exchange about what are the best strategies to protect the company. And those strategies, they need to have this kind of discussion more frequently, sharing the best knowledge in cybersecurity, but also sharing about what kind of attacks happen. That's the way we can proceed to offer more education at the high level, at the bottom part of the company, employees that will have to reduce in their behavior the risk of compromising through malicious code. So my philosophy first is no regret. No regret means if I decide to do something, it's important to realize it, not just to think about it, but really to implement. Not to regret what I would do. No regret means if we do something, let's do it with the maximum effort. Kairos, it's a Greek god about opportunity. It's a god that is flying with a long hair, and when he's moving around you, if you catch him, you get the opportunity at the right moment. So the philosophy is opportunity needs also to be prepared. Be prepared, get the opportunity and succeed.